Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dear students, in today's video, let us learn a easy technique to find the number divisible by 12, 15, 18 and 25. First, test of divisibility by 12. If the number is divisible by both 3 as well as 4. If the number is divisible by both 3 and 4, then the given number is divisible by 12. So condition for divisibility of 12 is number should be divisible by both 3 and 4. So test of divisibility of 3 is what? If the number, let us see the given number 5760 is divisible by 12. So first should check that for test of divisibility of 3, the sum of the digits 5 plus 7 plus 6 plus 0, which is equal to 5 plus 7 is 12, 12 plus 6 is 18 plus 0 is 18. So this sum is divisible, 18 is divisible by 3, and for 4 last 2 digits 60 is divisible by 60 if you divide by 4, so you will get 4 ones are 4, 2 4 5s are 15, so 60 is divisible by, remainder will be 0 divisible by 4. So this number is divisible by 5760 is divisible by both 3 as well as 4. Therefore, 5760 is divisible by 12. Let us see the second example. That is 1,23,624. Is this number divisible by 3? First we check. So sum of the digits 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 6 plus 2 plus 4, which is equal to 1 plus 1. 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 6 12, 12 plus 2 14, 14 plus 4 18 is divisible by, sum is 18, is divisible by 3, and last 2 digits of this number, that is 24, is divisible by 4. So this number is divisible by 3 as well as 4. Therefore, this number 123,624, 1,23,624 is divisible by 12. One more example, 50,716. Let us see sum of the digits. Sum of the digits 5 plus 0 plus 7 plus 1 plus 6. 5 plus 7, 12 plus 1, 13. 13 plus 6 is equal to 19. 19 is not divisible by 3. It is not divisible by 3. But if you see last 2 digits, okay, it is divisible by, last 2 digit is 16. Last 2 digit of a number is 16 is divisible by 4. So this number is divisible by 4, but it is not divisible by 3. So if the number is divisible by both 3 and 4, then only the number is divisible by 12. So this number 50,716 is not divisible by 12. One more example, that is 9,08,364. Sum of the digits, let us see, 9 plus 0 plus 8 plus 3 plus 6 plus 4, which is equal to 9 plus 0, 9, 9 plus 8, 17, 17 plus 3, 20, 20 plus 6, 26 plus 4, 30. Now, is 30 divisible by 3? Yes, 30 is divisible, 30, 3 times are. So, 30 is divisible by 3. Now, last 4 digits of this number, 64. 64 will divide 64. We'll get 4 ones are 4 and 4 6 are 24. That's 16. 16 4s are 64. So this is 64 is divisible by 4. So this number 9,08,364 is divisible by both 3 as well as 4. Therefore, this number 908,364 is divisible by. Now, test of divisibility by 50. Let us check whether given numbers are divisible by 50. So, the test of divisibility of 15 is if the given number is divisible by both 3 as well as 5, 3 and 5, then the given number is divisible by 15. So, the number should be divisible by 3 and 5, then the number is divisible by 50. So, here first example, that is 9,150. First we check whether it is divisible by 3. So, for test of 3, sum of the digits, sum is equal to 9 plus 0 plus 1 plus 5, which is equal to 9 plus 0, 0 plus 1, 10, 10 plus 5, 15. 15 is divisible, 15, 5 3s are 15, divisible by 3. And the last digit of the number here is 5. So, test for 5 is when the digit in the unit place is 0 or 5, then that number is divisible by 5. So, this number is divisible by 5. So, 9015 is divisible by 3 as well as 5. Therefore, 9015 is also divisible by 50. By 50. As it is divisible by both 3 as well as 5. Now, let us check whether this given number is divisible by 50. So, first we check whether if it is divisible by 3. Test for 3. So, sum of the digits. Sum is equal to 1 plus 7 plus 2 plus 6 plus 2 plus 0. The sum of the digit is 1 plus 7, 8, 9, 10 plus 6, 16, 17, 18 plus 0, 18. 18 is divisible. 3 6 are 18. 18 is divisible by 3. Divisible by 3. So, the last digit. Now, the last digit of the number is 0. So, test for 5 tells us that if the number is in the unit place, that is the last digit is 0 or 5, then that number is divisible by 5. So, this number is divisible by 5. So, number is divisible by both 3 as well as 5. So, therefore, 172620 is also divisible by 50. Now we check this one more example. So first we check sum of the digits. Sum of the digits of this number 5 plus 8 plus 6 plus 0 plus 7 plus 5. 5 plus 8 is equal to 30. 30 plus 6 is 19. 19 plus 7 26 plus 5 is equal to 31. Now this 31 is not divisible by 3. It is not divisible by 3. 13 is not divisible, 31 is not divisible by 3. But if you see the last digit, it is divisible by 5. But condition is what? It should be divisible by both 3 and 5. So hence it is not divisible by 3. Therefore, the given number is not divisible. 586075 is not divisible by 15. Since it is not divisible by 3, so it is also not divisible by 15. Test of divisibility by 18. So, if the number is divisible by both 2 and 9, if the number is divisible by both 2 as well as 9, then the given number is also divisible by 18. So the condition for divisibility of 18 is number should be divisible by both 2 as well as 9. So let us take the examples whether the given number is divisible by 18 or not. So 29,610. So first it should be divisible by 2. So test for 2 is what? That the last digit or the unit place number is 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. Then the number is divisible by 2. So here the number in the unit place last digit is 0. So last digit 0. So it is the given number is divisible by 2. Then condition for 2 is satisfied. Then the condition for 9. So for 9, if sum of the digit is divisible by 9, so sum of digits is equal to 2 plus 9 plus 6 plus 1 plus 0. 2 plus 9, 11 plus 6, 17. 17 plus 1 is 18. 18 plus 0 is 18. Now this 18 is divisible by 9. 18 is divisible by 9. Therefore, the given number is also divisible by 9. So, condition for both it is satisfied. The given number is divisible by 2 as well as it is divisible by 9. Therefore, the given number 29610 is also divisible by 18, since it is divisible by both 2 as well as 9. Now, let us see the second example. So, second example is 76,158. So, is this number divisible by 2? So, last digit of the number 8 is for test of 2 is satisfied for this. This given number is divisible by, it is divisible by 2 since last digit is 8. Now, the condition for 9, sum of the digits. So, let us take sum of the digits 7 plus 6 plus 1 plus 5 plus 8. 7 plus 6, 13 plus 1, 14. 14 plus 5 is equal to 19. 19 plus 8 is 27. 27 is divisible by 9 3s are 27. So, it is divisible by 9. So, given number is divisible by 9. So, this number is also divisible. It is divisible by 9. So, the given number is divisible by both 2 as well as 9. So, therefore, the 76158 is also divisible by 18. Now, let us check the third example. 17,250. Last digit of this number 0. So it is divisible by 2. Now let us see the condition for 9 is satisfied or not. Sum of the digit 1 plus 7 plus 2 plus 5 plus 0, which is equal to 1 plus 7 8. 8 plus 2, 10, 10 plus 5, 15 plus 0 is 15. 15 is not divisible by 9. So, condition for 9 is not satisfied. 15 is not divisible by 9. So, the given number is not divisible by 9. So, it is not divisible by 9. So, given number is not divisible by 9. So, it should be divisible by both 2 and 9, then only it is divisible by 18. Therefore, the given number 17250 is not divisible by 18. Test of divisibility by 25. If last two digits of a number is divisible by 25, last two digits we have to check. If the last two digits of the given number is divisible by 25, then the given number is also divisible by 25. So number may be of any digit, any number. If last digits of last two digits of a number are divisible by 25, then that number, given number, is also divisible by 25. So let us take the first example, that is 2,15,700. Last two digits, that is 00. Last two digits are 00. So this number is divisible by, so it is 0 is divisible by 25. So it is divisible by 25, since last two digits of the number 00 is divisible by 25. Now let us check here, last two digits of the number 60. 60 is not divisible by 25. 60 is not coming in 25 table. So this number is not divisible. It is not divisible by 25, since last two digits are not divisible by 25. Here, the last two digits of a number is 50. So 25 2s are 50. So this is divisible. So this number, it is divisible by 25. Only we have to check that last digit of the number is two digits. Last two digits of the number are multiple of 25 or divisible by 25. That is, if the last two digits of the number are 00, then 25, ones are 25, 50 and 75. If this condition is there in any number, if last two digits of the number are 00, 25, 50 and 75, then that number is divisible by 25. After, if you divide that number, you will get remainder 0. So this is the test of divisibility of 25.